Hi, I'm Avery Williams, owner of Austin Pro Leak. Today we're going to discuss some features about leak detection. What is a leak detection? A leak detection is basically a test of the pool that discovers any leaks you may have. That's through a process of pressure testing and vessel testing. And we're going to show you today a little bit about that. Our first step is pressure testing. We're going to have Will demonstrate that. He's going to induce pressure into the return line wall fitting after he's removed the eyeball. Now we're going to introduce the air into the system and find out what all pipes are attached to this particular piece of plumbing. During the pressure testing portion of this test, we've discovered that the return line has a leak, and we're going to show you what that looks like on the gauge. Now we brought the system to 20 psi, which is about what the normal pressure is for your equipment, and you can see that in this case this line is not holding pressure at all. That indicates a pretty good return line leak. Now that we know that this pool has a return line leak, we're going to locate that underground broken piece of PVC using our sonar device. We've created a noise at the induction plug, and we're going to now locate that with our sonar. And in this case, we happen to know that it's basically right here in this area, and we'll need to cut approximately a 1x1 hole here to excavate down to the break and repair the PVC. Now at this point, we're at the vessel testing portion of the test. And what that means is that we're going to check every protrusion that was made through the shell during construction. Any pipe that was laid inside the concrete is got to have a seal around it. If that seal isn't great, then we're going to find that. Okay, so now Will's going to die test this wall fitting. Wall fitting is basically where the plaster and the PVC make a connection, and that's a point that can certainly be a cause for leaks, as well as the glue joint inside the pipe. Another protrusion that was made through the shell during construction is for the lights. And the lights have a conduit and a niche. And so in this case, Will's going to take the light out and he will inspect the niche inside the wall. Now, leak inside the light doesn't mean that you have a leak out of your pool. There may be water inside here, but what we're checking is the conduit and the niche itself. Sometimes during a leak detection, we may actually find leaks at the equipment. Things like unions, candy valves, pump lid O-rings, O-rings inside your filter can all be found during a leak detection. Another thing that we'll inspect is your check valves. This is something that should be maintained every few years and can be a source of problems. So we like to go ahead and inspect that for you as well.